126 homes for sale in all of Annapolis. Wow. That's actually up from February's meager 122 homes for sale, but down more than half of what is normal inventory for our area around this time. It's Friday, April 23rd, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Annapolis. While prices remain 12.8% up from last year at this time, predictions indicate that we may see a slight downturn in price appreciation in 2022 and 2023. But don't get excited though, thinking about waiting. The cost of waiting to buy your home will still cost you a lot more than right now, between lower interest rates, today's prices, and putting all that money towards your own mortgage, especially if you're renting. So how does the market activity over this past week look? Let's see. 27 homes were listed for sale. This is down again this week. 42 homes are coming soon, marking a very small increase coming on the market soon. 21 homes went under contract since last week, and 30 are temporarily off the market, up from prior weeks. 23 moved to pending, and 45 homes sold over the past week, double from last week's report. The highest priced home to sell this past week was this brick front home in Severn Forest for $2,100,000. As for rentals, demand outpaces what is available, and median prices remain at $2,200 per month. We're seeing a lot of out-of-town sellers moving into the area following their home sales in Connecticut, New York, Philadelphia, Rhode Island, and New Jersey, and they are seeking to try before they buy as renters. This is a challenge due to the slim pickings of rental inventories combined with the disjointed way of finding rentals. Plus, a lot of landlords have decided to sell their rental properties, displacing existing tenants, some in place for as long as 16 years. Wow. Compare that to the fact that throughout the entire county, there are only 51 rentals, and only 19 of those will allow pets. Although Annapolis is a dog-friendly town, most landlords don't welcome pets. Let me say that again. Most landlords don't welcome pets. Keep that in mind when you decide to get a pet if you plan to rent. If you are thinking about buying or selling, or you're just sitting on the fence, be sure to get our free home buyer or home seller guide. Find the link below somewhere, or visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on the link Guide in the navigation bar. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, April 23rd, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. You may also catch our market updates on your favorite podcast service or on the Google or Alexa devices. As always, give me a call at 443-837-5645 if you have any questions about your circumstances. Thank you again for tuning in, and enjoy your weekend. Make it a good one, and I'll see you next Friday. Take care.